Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Biozyme Multivitamin. To begin, always take 1 tablet each day. It's best to consume it with a main meal, like breakfast or lunch, to enhance nutrient absorption and minimize any potential stomach upset. Remember, establishing a consistent daily routine is crucial for maximizing the benefits of your multivitamin. For best results, stick to the recommended dosage of 1 tablet daily. Taking your Biozyme multivitamin with a meal, especially one containing some healthy fats, can greatly improve the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins. Try to take it around the same time every day to make it a regular part of your routine and ensure you don't miss a dose. To maximize the benefits of your Biozyme multivitamin, store it properly in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight and moisture. Remember, a multivitamin is a supplement, not a substitute, for a healthy diet. Pair it with nutritious meals and regular physical activity for overall well-being. Always adhere to the 1 tablet per day recommendation. It's important to listen to your body. If you experience any adverse reactions after taking Biozyme multivitamin, stop use immediately and consult your doctor. Always keep the bottle safely out of reach of children and pets. Remember, this multivitamin is designed to support general health, not to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any medical conditions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.